Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's topic is short speech on self-confidence for school students, either on stage or morning assembly. So it is very simple, let's start the video. Respected principal, teachers and my dear friends, good morning to all of you. My name is Zaid Ali and I am a student of class 7th. Today I want to talk about a quality that I believe is essential for achieving success in life. That is self-confidence. Self-confidence is the belief on one's own ability and judgment. It's what makes us stand tall, speak up, and take risks. When we have self-confidence, we are more likely to try new things, make friends, and overcome challenges. But what happens when we lack self-confidence? We become hesitant, doubtful, and fearful. We may feel like we are not good enough or smart enough. But I want to tell you that every single one of you has incredible potential within you. So how can we build self-confidence? Firstly, we need to focus on our strengths and accomplishment. Let's celebrate our success no matter how small they may seem. Secondly, we need to practice positive self-talk. Instead of saying I can't do it, let's say I will try my best. Thirdly, we need to take risk and step out of our comfort zones. When we have self-confidence, we become unstoppable. We can achieve great things, make a difference in the world, and live a happy and fulfilling life. So let's make a promise to ourselves today to work on building our self-confidence. Let's believe in ourselves, support each other, and strive for excellence. Thank you. So hope you like this video guys. Please do subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.